Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Coach D and welcome to my channel. If you are a first time visitor, I admonish you to subscribe, click the notification bell so whenever we drop helpful content like this, you could get value from it. So today we'll be talking about Facebook pixels and how you connect it to a website. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using systemi.io as a website. You could connect a pixel to different websites, but we're using systemi.io for the purpose of this tutorial. For those of you who are new to Facebook advertising and don't know what a pixel is, pixel is a piece of code you get from Facebook and you try to install it on your website to be able to track events that happens on that website from your Facebook end. So events like purchase, add to cart, page view, standard events and custom events could be tracked on your website and you can see what's going on from your Facebook angle. So that's the purpose of a pixel. And this pixel helps Facebook to track activities on your website. And in turn, Facebook uses that information to be able to make sure your ads performs better, to improve the performance of your ads, of course. So that's the purpose of a pixel. So let's head right into it. So if for this tutorial you need to have Facebook Ads Manager, and of course it's also important to have a system.io account. So I'll be logging into mine. Already have. So I'll be logging into mine. Okay, sign in. Right. All right. This is how the system.io dashboard usually looks like. So we have to go to the funnel we are trying to track on the website. So you go to sales funnel. You choose the campaign in which your funnel is in, and here is our own funnel. You click on the edit page button. So this is what our funnel looks like. So we're trying to track this button. Let's assume we're trying to track this button. So what happens is the piece of code will be gotten from Facebook and it would install on this the header aspect of this website. So how do you locate the header aspect? You come to settings, you scroll down the settings. You see tracking. You see here it's tracking. It's written here tracking. You click on edit header code. This is where we will be inputting the code we get from Facebook. So now the next line of action is to get to Facebook and be able to get that code. Be able to get that code. So we head to Facebook Ads Manager and we need to create a pixel. Because this is a fresh account for the purpose of this demonstration, there's no pixel on it. So you go to Events Manager. Under these aspects, click on Events Manager. It loads. So if you have a pixel and you click on data sources, you should be able to see the pixels. But we don't have a pixel. So we click on connect data. We are choosing web. So at this point, you have five options here, but you go ahead and choose web. So it's important to understand that you're choosing web, not app. So you go ahead and choose web. Then you click the next button. Then a name, doesn't matter what you choose here as a name. So you go ahead and choose your name. Let me just say text pixel. Text pixel is the name of our pixel. And you click text pixel is the name of pixel. Then you click create. Loading. Boom. So they said you can set up with conversions API, you can set up with partner integration, you can set up manually. But we want to do it manually so we could get that code. Remember, we're looking for a code. We are setting it up manually. So we click on setup manually and you click on the next button. You have options here, conversion API, metapixel. We choose metapixel and we click on next. So setting up metapixel involves placing a small piece of code on your website, and I already said this, to gather data and measure effectiveness of your advertising campaign. Click on finish. So if you now come to data sources, you would see the pixel you have been able to create. It's clearly here, test pixel. So at this point, you see you have created your pixel successfully. What's the next line of action? Is to set up the metapixel. To set up the metapixel. So you go to overview, you come to metapixel, you come to data sources, then you click on set up metapixel. It's here. Set up metapixel, you click on it. You have options to install the code manually or check for partner. We need to get that code manually. So we click on the manually add pixel code to website button, install code manually. Click on that. Okay. So at this point, you're seeing the code here. So you just click on copy code. It's the best code, you copy it. All right. After copying this code, the instructions how you're gonna do it is here. They say copy code, then paste base code to the website. Paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header, just above the head. Install the base code on every page of your website. Okay. So what we are doing is we are going back to our website. Remember, this is, I said you go to settings, go to edit header code, and you put your code here. This is where you're pasting it. All right. So this is the code. It would look like this. When you've done this, sure you have done this, you now click on save. Click on save. Okay. After doing that, after saving that, you click this button again, save here. You confirm it, you click save here and make sure it is safe. Okay. After doing that, you come back to the Facebook end and click on continue. Turn on automatic matching. Continue. How it works. Open event setup tool. So now let's check the communication between Facebook and our website. We go to our website and we need to get the URL of this website. Okay, we copy the website URL, we come here and we try it out. And we click on open website. So most times it takes time for the pixel to start working on the to get linked. It may take some minutes. So but to confirm that the pixel installed correctly, you could just make sure you install the metapixel helper. You install it, metapixel helper extension, install it on your Chrome, and then you reload the URL of your website like this. You reload the URL. So when you do that, you check your pixel helper. You can see it says that the pixel have been installed. Page view. So you see the pixel have been installed correctly on this website. So let's check its workability with Facebook. Let's confirm its workability with Facebook. So test events. Where's the URL? Let's get the URL of the website. This is the URL of the website. We copy it and let's test the event. Confirm your website events are set up correctly. Okay, it's already here. Open website. Okay, let's see if it reads. You see, the website reads it as page view, receiving activity. It says receiving activity, page view. So that means our website is communicating effectively with Facebook. But now you need to set up a standard event. You need to set up at least one standard event. Let me show you an example. So let me show you how to set up an event. When you get to data sources, head to settings. Head to settings. Okay. You scroll down. You go on website settings. You will see event setup. You will see event setup. Open event setup tool. You click on open event setup tool. You put in your website URL and click on open website. Opening the website now. For instance, we want to track all customers that click on the order now button. We want to track this event, ordered now. That's our major focus. So that when we are running ads, we are running ads uh, to optimize for conversions of people who are likely to click the order now button. So what happens is events on this page, you click on this order now button. Before clicking on the order now button, you so what happens is to be able to track this order now button as an event, maybe call it purchase, you click on track new button. Then you click on the button you wish to track, which is this order now button. Then it selects here. They now say select an event. Let's call it purchase. Purchase. Choose a value. You can change this to Naira. It doesn't matter. And then you can change this to Naira. Purchase. But you just leave this as unticked. Then you confirm it. After confirming that as a purchase, you click on finish setup. This is very important. You click on this finish setup button and you click on finish here. You're asked to rate how the event setup tool went. You could go ahead and rate it. Okay. Let's just say cool. Then submit. Thanks for helping us. So now moving forward, anyone that gets onto this website, anyone that gets onto our website and clicks the purchase button, the order now button will register that purchase as a purchase event in this overview. So that is how to set up the, to set up events on Facebook. Set up a pixel and set up events on Facebook to make sure they are communicating. So we could try that out and see if it responds. Go to test events again. Activity. Okay. Confirm your website events are set up correctly. That's what we want to do now. Open website. So we'll be acting like we're a client. We put in our information and we see if Facebook will register the event as a purchase. Okay. 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 Then order now. So we click the order now button. So let's see if Facebook registers that as a purchase. Yeah, you can see. You can see it's not magic. You can see Facebook registers that event as a purchase. So now you could use you could run ads with your Facebook account. You could run ads linking to that website, and whoever goes on there and clicks the order now button, Facebook will register that as a purchase. That's easy as that.